We can all agree that the pandemic's changed our industry forever. And I think it's changed things like inflation, it's changed supply chain issues, it's changed tactical issues, but I really feel it's changed leadership in the restaurant industry. In order to run successful restaurants, we need to lead differently. We need to engage with our people differently and act differently if we want to retain them, engage them, and get the results they want and the results that we need as a business. That's why we're hosting another Hospitality Leadership Summit here in the historic Distillery District on October 18th. We're going to bring 170 to 180 of Canada's top hospitality leaders into a room with some of the world's top speakers coming from outside the hospitality industry and inside the hospitality industry to do work. It's a real workshop. We're not listening to speakers all day. You're going to hear concepts, you're going to do work, you're going to discuss with your team so you can get the strategy, the execution-focused strategy to get you and your team the results that you want and deserve. For our results to change, we need to change as leaders, and I really hope that you attend with us on October 18th.